Hey guys, how are you doing? Until recently, creating a video with AI still seemed like an experiment. Now, Google has turned this into a complete workflow within a single tool. With the new Google Vids, you not only generate videos, you direct avatars, control scenes, and put together entire productions without leaving the workspace. And one detail, this is already available to any user. Now, seriously, on which channel do you see information like this? So, if you haven't subscribed yet, it's time to subscribe. Now, if you want to watch the videos without ads and still support us, just click the join button. Deal? So, let's get to the video. Well guys, today I want to share with you this news that was announced by the folks at Google Workspace. Listen up, take the director's chair. Direct avatars with precision. Using View 3.1, positioning them in specific scenes to interact with uploaded images of your products, keeping a consistent face and voice in every frame. This tool here, Google Vids, has been around for a while. But it was only used for something very basic, like recording the screen or adding a narration. You had a mini editor there and it worked reasonably well. Now they've implemented View 3 and things got much better because the video generation is much more professional now. During the launch, they said that this tool will be available to everyone soon. For now, only a few free accounts have received the update, mainly here in Brazil. So, if it hasn't shown up for you yet, it should be arriving soon. On my Pro account in Portuguese, it's already available. So, let's go to the tool and I'll show you what you can create with this new Google Vids. First, how do you access it? Just come here to the Google Apps menu and select Google Vids. See everything you can do with this new version. View 3.1, write prompts and upload images to generate videos. AI avatar, write a script, choose an avatar, and create your video. Another thing, Lyria 3, which is that artificial intelligence from Google focused on music generation, is also available here on Vids. You can also record your screen, so if you don't have a screen recorder, Google Vids lets you do that. You can also turn your presentations into videos, and there are several templates available here in case you need some inspiration. Alright? So, let's start with the AI avatar. So, how does this work? The first thing you're going to do is click on current scene and then you'll type the text that will be narrated by your avatar in scene 1, something like that. Look, hello, subscribe to the Onde Eu Clico channel. Simple stuff. Then down here you'll select your avatar. What languages are supported? German, Korean, Spanish, French, English, Italian, Japanese, and Portuguese. Click change here to choose which avatar you want to use. So, here you have male and female avatars. When you hover your mouse over each one, you get a little preview of what each avatar's voice sounds like. Avatar. The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers. The voice you select makes a difference. The voice you select makes a difference. The voice you select makes a difference in how viewers respond to your video. Cool, right? I'll leave it here on Olivia. I'll click here to generate my preview. Done, it set the voice here, but a message appears. The voiceover will be added after rendering, so I'll click here to generate. Done, it's finished. Let's listen.
Hello, subscribe to the Onde Eu Clico channel.
Pretty cool, right? My clip is ready and I can edit it now. So, I can add animations here, I can make some adjustments to the audio, I can adjust the video size here, and I also have some text formatting options. Everything is available here within the same tool. Now let's suppose I want to add a new scene here to continue my video. Just click on the plus sign here. Now I'm on scene 2. And now I'm going to type my text again. Look, you'll find new videos here every day. But for this scene, I'm going to change my avatar. So I'll click here on change. And now I'm going to choose Samir. Avatar selected. I'll generate my preview. Done. It's finished. Let's watch.
Here, you'll find new videos every day.
Well, now what if you want to add a transition here to make your video more professional? Look, there's a little button here, add transition. Then, you just hover your mouse over it and it already gives you a preview of how the effect will look. Isn't that cool? I'm going to use the push effect here, which I think looks really nice. There, it's already been added. Now you move the playhead over here and say hello.
Subscribe to the Onde Eu Clico channel. Here,
You'll find new videos every day.
Did you notice that it's cutting off a bit of her speech? So I'm going to click here on the transition. It will open this side panel and I'm going to make it a little smaller. There you go.
let's see how it turned out. Hi, subscribe to the channel Onde Eu Clico.
Here, you'll find new videos every day.
So you can make these small adjustments to make your video even more professional. So did you notice how useful this tool can be? Maybe you have some material you don't want to appear. You upload your script here, add as many avatars as you want, divide your scenes, and automatically you have a ready-made video to share. Speaking of sharing, when you click the button up here, you can send the link, export to your Google Drive, export directly to YouTube, which is really cool because you can create your entire video here, all your content, and send it to your channel. You can download it in MP4 format or as a GIF. And notice that here in the side menu, I have other options to enhance my video. I can add subtitles. Look, I like this one. I selected it. Automatically, the AI does the transcription and adds the subtitles here to my video. Notice that I didn't have to do any kind of configuration. The subtitles have already been added to my material. Then, if I click the button,
Hola, hello, subscribe to the Onde Eu Clico channel.
Here you'll find new videos every day.
cool, right? Besides that, you have the option here to insert text. So look how nice this is. Look, I can add the text here, bring it over here. It's all very easy to edit. Remember when I talked about templates at the beginning of the video? So here in the templates menu, I have several that I can choose from if I need some inspiration. I can also add shapes. I can upload files here from my Google Drive. I can record my screen, which is really cool because this feature is available even in the free versions. Look, by clicking here on record screen, start recording, and here I can select the source. Just my camera and screen, just my screen, or a narration. Another interesting thing, I can create images using Nano Banana. Look, it creates the image of a clickable button. So, that's one of the big advantages of this update because I have several elements here that are part of the Google ecosystem and are integrated within Google Vids. So, if I want to generate an image, generate a video, add a caption, in short, all these functions that are usually spread across several tools, here you find everything in one place. See that it has already generated my image here? I'm going to click on Insert and then I can place it here in my clip. In fact, look at this. Convert to video. Let's see how it works. Put your hand here, press the button, done, it's finished here. Let's see how it turned out. Done, I'll replace it here, and now I already have my little video.
Here you find new videos every day.
Very cool, right? So I had an initial clip here, I added an image, and then turned that image into a video using VO 3.1. Now, there's another feature that was just released, and in my opinion, it's one of the coolest ones here in Google Vids. You can ask an avatar to present a product for you. To use it, you will click here on the View button in the side menu. Then you will choose your avatar. Once you've chosen your avatar, now you will enter your product here. It can be any static image you have on your computer. I'm going to use this perfume bottle right here, and now I'm going to type my prompt. Simple thing. Text in Portuguese. The lady is demonstrating perfume. That's it, and I'm going to ask it to generate. Done. It's finished. Let's see how it turned out.
Introducing the new Essence of Night, an elegant and sophisticated fragrance. Perfect for any occasion.
Did you see how cool that is? Then you can change the speech, change the avatar, change the product, and so on. So, notice the capabilities and power of this Google Vids update. Because basically, using a single tool, you can produce any type of content. From a simpler video to recording your screen, transforming presentations into videos, and now you can even generate a digital avatar and have it interact and present your product. Oh, and before we finish, if you have a free account and this new feature hasn't appeared yet, what can you do? You can create a video using VO 3.1, record your screen, upload it directly to your Google Drive, use the available templates, or convert your presentations into videos. So, if you have a free account where the avatars aren't showing up yet, you can still use these basic features. So, did you like this new feature? Has it already appeared in your account? Is it working properly? Let me know in the comments, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Out of time.